Hey, good morning, everybody, and happy Monday to you. Today's September 28th, 2020. This is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. And I appreciate you being here today, watching our video. But really, man, I got to tell you, thank you so much for watching the Saturday morning, real early. I put out a video, and I think there were 7 charts on it. Weekend charts to ponder. I want to thank everybody that watched that. Appreciate it. Had a record number of views on that video, and I appreciate everybody taking a look at it. So today we have 4 trade ideas, and if you want more, take a look at that Saturday's video. But I've added 4 to it, and we'll take a look at them here in a minute. Also, there was an incredible amount of questions on the weekend charts to view or weekend charts to ponder video, and there's just way too many questions for me to cover in today's video. So I think what I'm going to do maybe is later today, I'm going to create another video that answers all of those questions. And there were some great ones. Thank you so much, everyone. And I'll do my best to get those, to get that out today. But I don't see there's any reason why I can't do that. So watch for a video later today covering all the questions that was asked. All right. So Spy Friday. Spy Friday closed with a morning star signal, and looks like we have a little bit of a bottom that has formed down here. Futures are up this morning. Looks like around 333.12 on the SPY, and it's 6:45 a.m. my time, and I'm Central, so that's 7:45 Eastern. So there's a bit before the market opens up here. So a lot of things can happen. Ultimately, what we need to see is follow through, and I think follow through over this 335.10, basically the 50-day moving average. And what I was really aiming for here was this candle, the high of this candle here on September 18th. That's what we need to see. If we break out over that, then I think that would give the buyers what it needs to see the future and move higher. If we put in a sell signal up here, or a sell signal, in the next several days, then we could easily come back down and test the recent lows and even test the 50-period moving average. I am still very concerned that we get down here to the 50 before the 200, excuse me. This is the 200. Before we have any real kind of rally here. So the bulls are really going to have to prove themselves here. And they can do it. Good Lord. Bulls have proved themselves before. Let's take a look at FNGU, FANG Big Tech chart. Good move Friday. I think it held up very well. Looks like we're gapping up. So this is what could drive us up. This is the chart that could drive us up. And the SPY never even get anywhere near that 200 period moving average. So looks like we're going to open higher. I guess the most important hour of today will be the last hour of the day. How are we going to close? And I think that'll be an important, very important, it will be a very important hour there. Friday, VXX showed absolutely no fear. And, if you're in there chasing VXX, and a lot of people are, these little moves trying to catch little poppers. If that's working out, okay, but this is not fear that the market is turning around and heading down. This is not fear right here. When we take out these highs, that's fear. All right, this is just little poppers that really, it's just part of breathing is all it is. So keep that in mind on VXX. If you're trying to time the market, which that's what we do, but we look for that timing that actually can produce something. And just little moves, like 3 days ago, or even this chart pattern, which I like this chart pattern, low, high, higher, low, holding support. I like that. But really, unless it actually breaks out of something, it's just a whole lot of noise is what it is. So, all right, let's take a look at some trade ideas today. Now, I want you to remember that if you did not look at Saturday's charts to ponder, please take a look at that. I think that has 7 terrific charts on there. Today, I'm only going to talk about 4 because we did put those 7 out on Saturday. And I want to remind everybody that Tuesday at 11:45 Eastern, I will be presenting a webinar. You are invited, but you must register. Check the link in the text below. Just below the video, click on, I think it's a button called Read More. I think it's called Read More. Click on that. There's a whole bunch of chat down there. And you'll see the link to register for the Tuesday's webinar. And register, and you'll also get the recording ahead of everyone else. So sure would appreciate it. Thank you. Also, if you're interested in a 60-day trial to hit and run Candlesticks, there's also a link below for that. All right, let's take a look at GME. GameStop. GameStop's been trending up. We've come up over that 200 period moving average. We've rallied up. We've pulled back, rallied up, pulled back, rallied up, pulled back. Sounds like a pattern, doesn't it? Well, that's what we want to do. We want to be involved on the pullbacks, and we want to sell into the rallies. That's where we get our base hits from, selling into strength. So right now, I would be looking for, basically, I'm going to put this up here. What we're looking, well, let's drop it down 1. There we go. What I'm going to be looking for is an entry in this area here, and then we'll be looking for, well, let's do it this way. Let's do this. Right there. So what we're going to be doing is looking for a profit target in this $12, $13 area right up in here. So whether we are opening up, say just below 1060, right through here, that is still a buy area inside this buy box, and or wait for that breakout. And what I'm doing is I'm voicing my trade plan here on how I might trade this. So up, watch for the test, and then we make money going up like this. But basically inside this green box is what I'm looking for: a buy area and then a profit target up here between, say 290 and 350 up there. SRNE has been down, came down close to the dotted deuce, and we started back up. We're toying with the 50 period moving average right now. We are above the T line, and the T line is above the trend indicator, and the trend indicator is green. So we're going to look at a buy in this area here. We're going to throw a little buy box net out there, something like that. Kind of thinking that maybe this 1410 maybe up here, possible profit target. So what we'll be looking for is entry inside this area here, or possibly a breakout, and then we'll look for our profit target up here around that $14.10 mark. And this would put together, about a 40% profit. Now I want to remind everybody, that sounds good, doesn't it? 40% profit, man, it sounds fantastic. Just remember that if it starts heading south and you don't have your stop on, or if you don't obey your stop, the volatility can go south as well. So be very careful. This thing could eat your lunch if you're not careful with it. Another chart, pins. which I'm actually long pins already. And I'll be looking to maybe add to pins inside this buy box or on a breakout. And I'm looking for about 47.50 up here as a profit target right up in that area. You can see how we've rallied up. There we go, up. We've pulled back. We have found a little bit of support, and it appears that buyers are stepping in. Not very hard, not very complicated. FSLY, quite a few people in the trading room are actually long this already. Nice morning star signal here. Buy box and a profit target between 107.80 and 117 up here. And if bought, say at 92, which where's it at right now? Let's see. It's just above this pink line. So if bought in this, just in this area right in here, split the middle, that's about an 18% move. Now this is a stock chart. Now I'm going to trade only directional options. I'm going to only trade a directional option. So when I buy an option on this, if I choose to, then that 18% actually turns into quite a bit more when you buy the option. I was asked several option questions from Saturday's video, weekend charts to ponder, and I'm going to answer those questions in the video I do late this afternoon, and I'll post it out there for everyone to take a look at. All right, that's the trade ideas. Please, 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 if you find these videos helpful, interesting, educational, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and please share it to your trading buddy. Everybody's got a trading buddy. Share it with your trading buddy or trading buddies, and I hope to see you in the trading room. All right, you guys all have a terrific day and a great trading week, okay? Thanks.